guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kandi, and welcome back my Kandi babes. If this is your first time joining, then welcome. Today's look is going to be in relation to my makeup challenge, and the challenge that I had to complete for Thursday is sunset makeup. So I was really trying to just have like red, orange, and yellow, but somehow the red pigment, when it showed up on this side, was more pink than red. I was like, I'll just wing it and we'll just rock with it. So I pretty much had like one lip for one look and then one lip for the other look. So anywho guys, this is the final look. If you would like to see how I created both these looks, then go ahead and stay tuned. Yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this jam. I also want to just point out that when I started off with the face, as you can see, the foundation is completely done on one side and the other side it is not. That is because we are doing two looks today. So the first product we are going to be using is from NYX Cosmetics. This is their jumbo pencil in the shade Milk, and I really love using this type of pencil because it is white, and whenever you use white as your main base, the color is going to be showing off the pigment way more better, especially since I am more of the darker skin tone. So this is going to be able to help my shadows pop really well. As you can see, I am placing the pencil all over and then I am blending that out. So once all that is completely blended in, we are now going to be using the NYX Ultimate Shadows palette, and we are going to start using these first two yellow shades. What I like about this palette is that even though it doesn't look very pigmented, it really is, and it actually is more pigmented than my BH Cosmetics palette. So we're going to be using this one today, and we're going to be applying that all over the side of the face. And then we're going to go back in with my Sleek Contour Kit, and we're going to define my contour. That's just to make sure that I'm blending the two yellows and the contours together. Now with that same palette, we're going to go in with the red shade here, and I really was trying to get the red to pop out, but it popped out really pink. So instead of freaking out, I just kind of winged with it, and we're going to just keep it on with a pink shade. And I applied the shade in the inner corner of my face, and then I blended that to the middle portion of the shadows. Now to deepen that red or pinkish shade, we're going to go in with the Huda Beauty Electrics palette, and we're going to select that red shade here, and we are then going to place that in the same spots I did with the pink and then blend that out with that same brush. Now to bring in the orange to kind of set the whole sunset vibe, we're going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette, and we're going to take this gorgeous burnt orange shade and we're going to press that directly in the middle of the both shades, and then we're going to blend that out with that same red brush. Once all the shades are applied on there and I have blended out everything out, we're going to go in and reshape my brows just to make sure that they are nicely defined. And I did do that off camera. Now we're going to work on the second eye, and we are going to be going back in with that same jumbo pencil, and we're going to place that on the bottom portion of the lid and then blend the white all the way up to my brows. We're going to take that orange shade and we're going to place it directly on the crease, and then we're going to blend that out. Next, we're going to go back in with that same yellow and place it on the lid and then blend that upwards. And then as you can see, Micah and Ollie decided to pop in and mess with me while I'm doing my look. Don't you know? Don't you know? And then once that is done, we're going to go in with that shade of red, and we're going to place that directly in the middle. Again, the red popped out as a side of pink, so we're just going to work with it. And we're pretty much now going to be layering the colors. So first we're going to apply the crease color, which is the pink. Then we're going to go back in with the yellow with the lid, and then we're going to go back in again with the pink, and then we're pretty much going to go back in with the yellow. So pretty much creating that sunset where all the colors are not all the same places, but they're there and I'm presenting them to you. So that is the reason why I keep layering in this entire video, to bring out the sunshine and the shimmer. We're going to go in with the Anastasia Glow Kit, and we're going to be using the shade Sun right here. We're going to place that directly on the lid of my eye, and then we're also going to place it on the highest points of my cheeks to create that sunset version on both sides of my face. And then as you can see, guys, I did the lashes and the liner off camera. And I did do a double lash to kind of make sure the lashes pop out a little bit better. So now to finalize the look, we're going to go in with my favorite. This is MAC Cosmetics Chestnut, and we're going to outline my lips. And the next thing we're going to go ahead and use is place the nude shade on, and this is by Colourpop and ILUVSARIII, and this is going to be in the shade 951, and we're going to place that in the middle and then blend that out. And then for the second look of lips, we are going to go in with Colored Rain, and this is in the shade Cherry Blossom. And I first started thinking that why don't I just do two different lip looks for these two different makeup looks. So for the sunset side, we have more of the berry lip, and then for the more nude sunshine, we have a like ombre-ish nude shade. So those are the two shades, and yeah, guys, this is the final look on the sunset makeup challenge. What are your guys' thoughts? Alright guys, well that is the final portion of the video. I want to say thank you so much for taking the time to watch it. And if you have any questions or would just like to leave a comment down below, you should go ahead and do that right now. You should definitely do it before the end of this video. And what you should also do, if you haven't done by the entire time this video was going on, you should go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And don't forget to click on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. Again guys, if you are my candy babes, thank you so much for coming back and checking out my video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and check me out on Instagram. Thanks so much guys again. I'm gonna stop rambling on and I will catch you at the next one. Bye guys.